The process of developing the Sendai Framework was initiated through stakeholder consultations in March 2012 and intergovernmental preparatory committee meetings that were held between 2014 to 2015. These PrepCom meetings were consultations with the UN system, stakeholders, and experts, supported by the UN Office for DRR at the request of the UN General Assembly. After this process, the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction 2015 to 2030 was adopted at the 3rd UN World Conference in Sendai, Japan on March 18, 2015. Since the adoption of the Sendai Framework by the UN General Assembly, the Open-Ended Intergovernmental Expert Working Group, or OIEWG, was established by the UN General Assembly to develop a set of indicators to measure global progress in the implementation of the Sendai Framework and update terminology on disaster risk reduction. After the working group met for over a year, the draft of global indicators for targets A to G was endorsed and adopted by the UN General Assembly in 2017. The Sendai Framework acts as the successor to the Hyogo Framework for Action 2005 to 2015, building the resilience of nations and communities to disasters. While the Sendai Framework was developed to build on and ensure continuity with the Hyogo Framework for Action, Sendai Framework introduces new elements as well. Overall, the Sendai Framework presents a more holistic picture of DRR, including social and cultural indicators that were not included in prior agreements. It has a renewed goal focused on preventing the creation of risk while reducing existing risk and strengthening resilience. Importantly, as disaster-related targets and indicators of the Sustainable Development Goals were developed based on those of Sendai Framework, there are clear linkages between these major global agreements. Targets 1.5, 11.5, 11.b, and 13.1 of the SDGs have the same indicators as those of the Sendai Framework. The Sendai Framework Monitor System has been established as a tool to help member states track progress on the Sendai Framework and related SDG targets. It has been created to also help countries track progress of their own national and local DRR strategies and policies. In 2017, the technical guidance for monitoring and reporting on progress in achieving the global targets of the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction was published in response to requests by member states for support in the operationalization of the global indicators. The technical guidance notes provide minimum standards which describe international understanding of indicators, data required, and standard methodologies for countries which may choose to use them, while others may choose to use national or relevant methodologies as well.